Hi guys, today I will explain how to purchase Bitcoin in Trust Wallet. This process is really simple and easy. The only thing is open your Trust Wallet application. Once it will be open. Below, you can see the crypto list of my Trust Wallet. And here's the Bitcoin. But if you did not find it here, then first you have to enable this. And how can you do it? Just scroll down to the last. And here you can see the option of Manage Crypto. Simply click on it. Once you will click on that, all the cryptos which are available in Trust Wallet will be shown here. And in order to add Bitcoin, you have to enable this option. But if you did not find it, then you can also get the help of the search bar. Click on it and enter the name BTC or Bitcoin and toggle it to turn it on. Once you will turn it on, let's go back from here and scroll up, and here you will find the Bitcoin. Now, in order to purchase, simply click on it. Here you will see multiple options. From these, you have to click on the option buy. The next thing is you need to enter the amount in US dollars, and you can see the option of $150. I will get 0.0014 and something Bitcoin. If you want to change the payment method, then click on this credit card. And here use that method, which is more easy and convenient for you once you choose. Go back. One more thing you can do here is you can also change the currency by clicking on this flag icon, which is on the right top. And here select your currency. You can also search that for yourself. Once you have done everything, click on this option. Then you can purchase Bitcoin in Trust Wallet easily.